Hello guys, this is Fat Biker Ari and welcome to another unboxing video. So today we are having another front lights, and look at this. So it's from the brand Lezyne. I was searching for a good quality front light which lasts more than like 6-7 hours, and finally got my hands into this light. The brand is Lezyne, so it's a well-known brand in terms of lighting. So let's start the unboxing. It is already unboxed though, so because I have used it, but for the video's sake, let's go and unboxing the light. Okay, so before starting this video, just I have a request. Like, I make videos on riding, on daily cycling and all other stuffs. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, press that bell notification for all the video notifications, and do like my videos, share and comment. So let's go. So talking about this light, it's actually a 1300 lumens front light. So as you can see, this is from the front. So model name is MacroDrive 1300 XXL, the double XL. It has a 1300 lumens here, and to the up we have the Lezyne branding, and this side also we have this Lezyne XL 1300. If you go to the back side of the box, so you will get a lot of things. Just if you can pause this video to read this these things if you're as per your requirement. Now on this side we will be getting all the things here. See, so if you want, you can pause the video and read all the things. I'm not going to tell everything though. So let's open the box. It's a pretty simple packaging. They have provided with very few components, like this main unit and what else? Oh, this one only. These two. So it's very simple. So I love the way it's designed. Let me look at this. Look at this light. This is the this one, and this one is the strap which will be mounted to the bike. This is from the front, so you have kind of charging port there. Maybe look at this is the downside. So the look of this light is pretty much rugged, I would say. From this side you will be giving charge to this light, so it has a good amount of battery. Now let's remove this. Maybe okay, so I tried to remove it, but it looks like it's non-removable, so I have to place it. Now the weight of the light is pretty much on the higher side. I have my existing light, which is this one. This one you have seen it before, maybe. It's from the brand Towild. It's a 1200 lumens, and if I compare the weight of those two lights, so it will be like the Lezyne is kind of heavy than compared to this one, even if you compare the size as well. So look at that. So Now let's check out the front side. So you have these two LEDs. You have three LEDs. So two on the bigger side, one on the lower side. And it's made of glass, so it looks pretty rugged. Now let's check out the light. So let me switch off this one, and so to turn on the light, what you need to do is like press this button up, so it's kind of, look at that. So it's on the blinking mode. So you have a lot of modes there. So this one is kind of high, this one is a bit of low, this one is again low, this one is too low, and so this is blinking modes, and this is kind of so this mode is kind of higher. It has 1300 of lumens. Look at the light, it's pretty cool. Now let's place this CL1 Towild, and let's turn on the lights. Now if you can see both the lights, so you will be able to understand the lighting. Let's turn off this Lezyne, and okay, so I have turned the Lezyne off. Now this is the light of the CL1200 from Towild. Now let's turn this off and turn the Lezyne on. Look at this, the light. So just wanted to know from you guys, what do you think about those two lights? And let me know in the comment section below. Now let's go and do a bit wide comparison after placing the lights on the bike. Okay, so I have put both the lights here, and I have turned on the Lezyne 1300, so XXL. Now look at the light. So the beam is like it's throwing the beam towards one place, and this is the high modes. Now let's keep this a bit down because I haven't placed this correctly. I need to work on that, but so this is the low power mode. This is again a low one. This is low, and this is too low. In too low as well, you can see the beam, it's throwing at one direction. Now let's turn it in a blinking mode. So this is your blinking mode, and this is a low blinking mode. This is the high mode. Now the moment of truth. So let's turn on this one. So this is your high mode. So look at that, look at the light of those two humongous giant lights. This is the look from the front side of those two lights. So if I'm putting my hands on, it's like it feels very hot. Now let's turn off this one and to see my existing light. So this is from Towild, and turn this off. I've turned this on again. It's on high power, it's on medium. This one is medium, this one is high, and this one is low. Now so let's put on this on medium high mode, and let's put on this high modes, turn this on into high mode, so you can see the difference. So guys, let me know in the comment section which one is better. Now the cost of this light I will give you in the description box. So to my preference, if you are looking for something which will last for more than 5 hours or 6 hours, then would suggest to go for this Lezyne. But one thing you need to keep in mind is that keeping this on high lumens will not give you the extra juice. You need to keep this on the low lumens. Like on this one, let's turn this off. In this one you will get like 10 to 12 hours of battery life, and suggested is to keep on blinking mode. I will suggest to keep this on this mode to get the extra battery life. So I hope that turn this on. Okay. So these are 7 to 8 modes. Turn this on. So I hope that you like this unboxing and review video. So we'll make a review video of these two lights in like 15 days or 1 month of use to give you the exact verdict. But before ending this video, I have another light. Let me show you. So I have this one as well from Decathlon. It's like ST920, which I have started. Well, I've started my cycling journey. So it's like 300 lumens, if you can see this one. So 3 lights I'm having all total, like this one. So overall 3 lights I'm having, but this one I'm not using anymore. So if anyone wants, I can give away this light, the ST900. It's a 300 lumens light. So please comment down below if anyone wants this one. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos, and like, share and comment your thoughts and anything you want to say. So bye bye for now, and we'll see you in another video.